What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today. So okay, and this is a new, and also this is the accessories for my Olympus I think, yeah, F4. Okay, Olympus F4 digital camera. So these are memory card, XD picture card, and it's also a battery of it, since when I bought the camera there's no battery, right? So okay, without further ado, let's gonna start up. Okay, so um I bought this, in, yes, I bought this in Amazon, but unfortunately they just what is this called, collaboration with USPS. So I don't know what's happening into Amazon right now. So they just, why they just using, why they just use USPS now, right? Why they just use USPS? They have their own delivery services, right? Okay, they have their own delivery services. Amazon have their own delivery services, and now they are now using the, and now Amazon is now using a USPS. Okay. Okay, and right here is also, is the, I think this is the picture card, XD picture card, and also this is the battery over here. So okay, let's go gonna first open this one. Okay, the battery. Okay, so gonna change into the different angle so that you will see. Okay. So okay, here it goes. So let's go gonna start opening this small one, since this is the battery, and for the cheaper price, there are two batteries, right? So link down below in the description, right? I'm gonna put down the link in the description. We got right here. Yes, battery for camera and camcorder, and have two batteries over here, right? For a cheaper price. Well, you look at that. So okay, so let's go gonna open this up. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out, and also I'm gonna have to put it on if it is gonna be, right. Yes, right. So it's a small one also. It is a small one. So I bought two for the cheapest price, right? Okay, and there's also, these are generic battery, but right? So they don't have the original battery. So like, as you can see right, that for only Li 42B Nikon, for Olympus, right? And then also Nikon, and also, right? So let's go gonna have to check it out. Yes, it is so small battery, right? So gonna have to take my camera. Okay, so right over here is the camera, so I'm gonna have to open it up, right? So let's just hope. Okay, I'm hoping that it will gonna be work. So there's the plus and the minus. Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, okay, yes. And then let's try to on if it is. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Nice. Okay, it's full battery, it's full on, it's full mode, right? So we're gonna have to check that out. Okay, so we're gonna have to turn it on. So this is standby mode, right? Oh, nice. Oh, perfect. Love it. Okay, so the preview of the camera. Okay, right over there. As you can see, blinking memory full. Because they don't have it don't have, because it doesn't have a memory card. I think this is the internal memory card. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, so already, so gonna check this one also. Gonna check this one. right? Okay, here it goes. And another battery, so spare battery, right? So got some spare battery, right? So and then that goes right over there, right? So okay, so I have the charger over here, so I'm gonna have to try to I'm gonna try to put it on. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to put it on right here if it is gonna be fit into the charger, right? So okay, so I'm gonna have to try it on. Okay, so and then here it goes. Oops, sorry. So we've got some indicator for the plus and minus. So I think this one over here is gonna have, oh, okay, perfect. So it is perfectly, right, that's so gonna have yes, and then it goes right over here is for the plug. You just have to plug it in, right? So perfect. And if you want to take it off like that, you're gonna have to take up right here, right? So okay, so next is I'm gonna open this big one since this is the memory card. So this is the XD picture card for the Olympus, right? So since they have their own, what is this called? Um they have their own memory card, right? So as you can see, USPS. No. Looks like uh there's no inside, right? But I think they're gonna but I think they have to use a, you know to fit properly the item, right? So that it will not be wobbling inside the box, right? So this one is hard. Okay, this one is hard. So this is my first time to purchase. So this is my first time to, oh sorry, so this is my first time to purchase in eBay, right? Right. So and right, so this one is really hard. Okay, here it goes. That is why. Okay, we got some small right over here, and yes, you can see. Okay, here it goes. There's the picture card over there, so we're gonna have to take that off. So since it is gonna be put in this bubble wrap, right, for that it will not be, right? So I was just hoping that this is the right picture card for the I was just hoping that it's the right picture card for the digital camera, right? So I'm gonna have to open it up again, and then I'm gonna have to how to put it on. Okay, so have to like that. Okay, so I think, and also it has 16 MB, right? So I think this one gonna have to put it like that over there. Yes. Okay, so I think I'm in the wrong position. Okay, so okay, okay, here it goes, the XD picture card. So I'm gonna have to push it on, and then I'm gonna have to take it off. So I'm in the wrong side of the, so there's a scratch. It's because I just use a pen, right? I just use a pen for me to get it off. So hoping that this one is still okay, right? So sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry, picture card. So this one is for to put it on, and let's go, gonna have to put this on. So these are the indicator, the plus and the minus. So okay, I'm gonna have to put that right over here. So I think okay, here it goes. Oh, okay. And then, you're right. So the, memory card is not okay. So, okay, cross finger if it is. Oh my God. So, okay. Okay. Okay, I think the battery is not perfectly right. Am I am I correct? Okay, am I correct for putting the battery on? Okay. So, yes, okay. As you can see that there's a two square, and also there's a two square per here. One square at the, and also one square, so I have to, okay. And then, okay, I'm gonna have to, like that. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the battery, right? I'm gonna have to change the battery. Alright, so okay, and then I'm gonna have to change. Okay, so I think that was the first I need to charge it up. Okay, so the first is fully charged. So I'm gonna have to try to test it out. Okay, if it's gonna be low but right. So I'm gonna have to the plus and the minus right over here. Okay, am I correct? Okay. So okay, it's the plus and the minus. So it goes. I'm gonna have to. We're gonna have to try to charge it up. Okay. So okay, that one is charging it up. So this is the charging, right? The charging button, right? Okay. So alright, it's already charging. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try to use the another one, okay, if it is gonna be working. All right, okay. So okay, it's already working, and here it goes. So this is the camera over here, so I'm gonna have to click that one. So that is the display. So I'm gonna go over to the menu. Is we can see some icons right over here. So we've got some right over here, we've got some magic filter. So in this magic filter, we can see like that one, right? So have to divide into three. So gonna go back to the menu again. So we've got some image quality. Okay, and then here it goes. We got the image size of 12 m. Compression is normal, so I have to go back. So I know how to go back, right? So I'm gonna have to exit again to the menu, and then go back again to menu. So we've got right here is also the reset button. We've got the camera menu. We've got the setup. We've got the silent mode, and also we've got also right here is the switch shooting modes, picture to video, video to picture. So gonna go to the camera menu. We've got right here is the camera menu. We've got the web WB auto, ISO auto. So mic is off, so I'm gonna have to turn it on. Okay, and we've got some panorama, right? And we've got an AF mode, we've got a face detection. Okay, go back. Okay, I think go back right there. So we've got a flash, we've got some auto, and we've got some, you know, right over there. So we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go over again to the, you know, okay, and then we've got to set. You're gonna have to go back right here, and then go back again to menu. And then also we've got right here is the setup. As we can see, the memory format, I already also formatted the internal memory, which is there's also an internal memory. So I'm gonna have to check it out into the, I'm gonna have to check it out in the laptop, right? So backup, we've got some English, pixel mapping, setup, memory setup, got picture and also video, and then save settings. Okay, we got some menu, color, beep. Okay, and then also that got some timer over here, right? Video out pal. So you can connect it into a, you can connect into a TV, right? And power saver, right? So gonna have to go back again to the menu, and then go back and press the menu again. So we've got right here is also the switch shooting modes, and it's also we've got the silent mode over here. So I just turned it into silent mode, right? Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna have to check it out in the, I'm gonna have to check it out the, you know, I'm gonna have to check it out the internal memory of this one. Okay, so okay, it turns out that this is not a USB, right? So this is a connector into a TV, right? So this is a connector into a TV, into the TV. So this is not USB to, this is not a mini micro USB into the USB A. So this just only a connector to the TV, right? So I think I'm gonna have to find USB for this one, right, to connect into the computer, right? So since the camera is okay, so right, so the camera is okay, so I just need some, how I just need some, you know, how to connect into a laptop, right? So I think this is a good camera also for you to have this, right? So and then I cannot do a sample video for this one in a sample picture since I cannot connect it, right? So okay, so right, so okay. So okay, this is the sample video, right? So this is the sample video of the Olympus Fe4000. So nice, and also this is a great uh great, okay, all right. So okay, so that's it for today's vlog. So and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and click that notification the bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more, and thank you so much for watching. Okay.